Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Mika and we are going to continue talking about conditional if, and this is part 2. Do you still remember the story about me saving the money and having planned to have it until $2 billion and all my plans in 10 years? Well, unfortunately, I cannot make it. I cannot save my money until 2 billion rupiah. So what about the plans here? Well, if I had 2 billion rupiah, I would invest some of the money. If I had 2 billion rupiah, I would renovate the house. If I had 2 billion rupiah, I would buy a car. And if I had 2 billion rupiah, I would travel around the world. So let's take a look at the first sentence. If I had 2 billion rupiah, I would invest some of the money. The question is, has the character I here had 2 billion rupiah? No. Has I invested some of the money? No. Is there a chance I invest some of the money in the present time? No. Why? Because she doesn't have the money. Because she doesn't have the money, so her plan for investing some of the money is cancelled. Now let's take a look at the second sentence. If I had 2 billion rupiah, I would travel around the world. The questions: has I had 2 billion rupiah? No. Has I traveled around the world? No. Is there a chance I travel around the world in the present time? No. Why? Because she doesn't have the money. So what can we conclude here? If the fact is in the present time, the if sentence is in the past. And the pattern is, if I had a lot of money, so this is in the past time, I would buy a football club. Would is the past tense, yeah? We'll change it to would. If they had a lot of money, they would buy a football club. If we had a lot of money, we would buy a football club. If he had a lot of money, he would buy a football club. She had a lot of money, she would buy a football club. Okay, that's all for part 2. Thank you very much for watching. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in part 3. Goodbye.